of learner are you? Many psychologists believe that different people learn in different ways. Answer the question and find out how you learn. Score each question from 1 to 5. 1. Almost never. 2. Not usually. 3. Sometimes. 4. Often. 5. Usually. First question. First, doing project is easier than writing essays. 3. Second, I forget things if I don't write them down. 5. Third, I like to finish a job before I start the next one. 4. I make notes in class but I don't read them later. 2. 5. I move my hands a lot when I'm talking. 5. 6. I need to have a lot of breaks when I'm studying. 2. 7. I prefer to go somewhere quiet when I study. 5. 8. I'm not very tidy, but I know where my things are. 4. 9. It's easy to see pictures in my head. 4. 10. It's hard to see pictures in my head. 3. 11. Maps are easy to understand. 4. 12. Music helps me study. 3. 13. Seeing a person talking is a lot better than listening to tapes. 5. 14. When I read, I hear the words in my head. 4. And question the last. Talking about things helps me to understand them. 5. How to find your score? Write your score. Then find the total for each type. If one total is a lot bigger, that is the type you are. If 2 or 3 scores are similar, you are a mixed type. Total V score 23, total A score 19, total H score 16. Visual type. You learn by reading information or seeing pictures or diagrams. Looking at your teachers when they speak can help you understand some ideas that might help. Write information down and make lots of notes in class. Look at your notes and copy them again in a more organized way. Use color pens to show the important information. Ask your teacher to say things again when you do not understand. Sit near the front of the class, but not near the windows or door. Auditory type. You learn by hearing information. Speaking about ID helps you study. Listening to recordings is good too. Some ideas that might help. Before you read a text, look at the headings and any pictures. Talk to yourself or a friend about what it will say. Do homework and revise with a friend so you can talk about your work. When there are things you want to remember, say them to yourself several times. Make recordings of your notes and listen to them to study. Haptic type. You learn by moving around and doing things. Touching and feeling things can help you to study. Using color is also good. Sometimes some ideas that might help when you are studying. Work for about 25 minutes and then relax for 5 minutes. Do not watch TV or talk on the phone. Then go back to your study. When there are things you want to remember, walk around while you say them to yourself or read them Cover your desk with a big sheet of color paper to put your books on. Study with music playing. So my type learner is visual type with a score of 23, high than others.